Hey, back from Alpha Charts with a stocks to watch video. Today is December 4th, 2022. Before we get started, this video is for informational purposes only. These are not recommendations to buy, sell, or hold any stock or security. Now, I may hold positions in some of the equities mentioned. Know your time frame and risk tolerance. All right. And if you like these videos, please stop, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you if you have done that. If you haven't done it yet, please do it right now. It helps me out, and I really do appreciate that. So please. Second thing is I'm on Twitter at AlphaCharts365. You find tons of content there, way more. This video plus way more. So if you haven't followed me on Twitter yet, at AlphaCharts365, you absolutely get over there and do that as well. Okay. So let's start with the cues just real fast. You have a healing look to the cues. It's not quite there yet, but under the surface, I think there's a lot of positives going on, especially in like IWM. So I click on the right tab. IWM is looking better above the 200-day. So we have a lot of good things going on. Here's my stocks to watch video. Here's some potential setups. MGNI. Strong name off the bottom. This used to be called Rubicon, if you remember. Now it's MGNI, but again, super strong name, big volume. It broke out right there. Maybe you need to wait for that retest, right? Wait for a retest potentially, but overall looks fantastic. ARRY. This one came in, big shakeout right there. If it breaks out potentially, I think that looks really good. Let's get rid of some of this, clean this up just a little bit. Yeah, look at this bullish outside day, 8% move higher. Looks fantastic. STNE, again, another oldie but goodie. We'll just extend this a little bit more. Look how this is now kind of doing this VCP-ish type action. I wish it was at all-time highs. It's not. But again, this is an area that is starting to become very, very, very important. 200-day is flattening out and things are trying to move higher. I think above 12 and a quarter ish, and you can then manage risk potentially against that area. VRT looks pretty good. Again, it'll flag back here, but we can kind of say this is a general area right here, and we can say maybe even here, right? So it's kind of chopping around in this area. A big gap here potentially to fill on the way up, and this data is going to be coming off soon, so this 200 days should be flattening out. So it looks pretty good. CRDO, IPO trying to make its first base. So I would, potentially you could buy it right here, actually, right? Potentially right here. But then, just play to 17. That's a possibility. Or you just wait for the breakout, whatever you want to do. Crocs, those ugly, ugly shoes, but it's a beautiful chart, right? You have a 200-day that's flattening, trying to move higher. At the very least, it's flattening. You also have a breakout of the flag, right? This area right there. You have a nice little breakout. Looks like a strong name to me. Elf, makeup, continues higher. Now it's starting to consolidate right around here. And if we kind of zoom in, you see this tight range that it's in, right? Yeah, on the bottom, here's this. On the top, here's this, where the sellers are showing up. And it's just kind of in this tight range. So if it can break out, that looks pretty good. What else? AMKR, Amcor. Again, whatever chart speaks to you, that's the one you want to go with. This had a beautiful move from 16 to 30, and now it's flagging. High-tech flag, maybe, right? Maybe. So if this breaks, that looks fantastic. AMKR. MCHP. Here is MCHP. Again, very defined area. You're getting a bullish crossover here. 200-day is flat, which is beautiful to see. Good accumulation. So if this breaks out, why not? Why can't it go to 90 or 100, right? What else? CUTR. Yeah, another strong looking name, strong off the bottom, extended, very extended. So wait for the pullback, maybe to 49-ish or so, 49, 49.50, somewhere like that. Let the moving averages catch up. And then this is a potential name, VCYT. Oops, sorry, type it right. VCYT went from 15 to 30, broke the flag, and now it's starting to move higher again. So Verisite, potential high tight flag scenario right here, looks really good. Strong name, right? VCYT. So yeah, so I highlighted two potential high tight flags, right? It was VCYT and it was AMKR. So those are definitely ones to pay attention to. Look at PRCT. Robotics company, kind of chopping away a little bit, but this area right around here-ish, that's the area that looks important. What else? Docs, DOX. Coming up here, again, way extended, not the place to buy. Wait for it to pull back, and then maybe you get in on the pullback or on the breakout. REYN. This is Reynolds Company, right? I guess they make tinfoil, right? Reynolds wrap, and I'm sure other stuff too. Anyway, it's trying to break out. It couldn't. Wait for the pullback. Maybe buy down here. If not, pull back and then break out, right? That's REYN, consumer defensive. I would consider that. INCY. It's a biotech company. So know your risks in buying biotech companies, but very strong looking name, double bottom look to it. Again, a little bit extended, may need to pull back some, but looks strong. What else? We have PFG. Here's PFG. This is Principal Financial Group. It broke out. We've talked about insurance companies in the past looking great. Here is this one. Again, just kind of flagging through with the moving averages. And so very easy to manage risk on this one, right? That's our whole goal, manage risk. SANM, Sanmina. Nice move up from 44 to 70-ish. And we have, actually, I'm going to go this. And we have, just this nice, tight consolidation above the gap. Looks very, very strong. And last one, it'll be Fold, another biotech name. Biotechs look good. You can just buy the ETF in IBB or XBI if you wanted to. But overall, Fold, has that, nice look to it. Maybe a little extended. May need to do one more little pullback and then it break out. Again, XBI is one of the ETFs. Strong looking name. Also IBB. Very strong looking name, nice space going on there. Okay, so there you go, stocks to watch, lots of good names. AMKR looked amazing, and then also VCYT looks fantastic. So definitely maybe consider those, especially if you get a good entry. Always get a good entry. All right, y'all have a great day. Good luck this week. Also this week, the market's moved a lot recently. Expect a little bit of volatility. Maybe it pulls back some, right? Maybe we could get better entries into some of these names. But overall, it looks like at least an end of year rally is materializing. Take care. Bye.